What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are doing the breakfast into lunch. We are tracking our miles with the Solo app. You could either have Solo do it automatically or come up here and toggle it on manually and start tracking all of your miles for your whole shift. All right, I'm having camera issues again. It said the SD card was not, it was an error, but I got my first order. Oh, see how they're asking for like this code? 5D9. Now we can proceed. I've seen a lot of people saying that sometimes they'll give you the bag and like there's no sticker on it with the code and you're already at that screen and you can't go back to see what the code is and you have to call support. And I'm like, why is this a thing? I get DoorDash doesn't want you picking up the wrong order, but you're stopping us. You're slowing us down. All right, we got a train. At least it's going fast. Yeah. I know most customers wait for the driver to leave before they actually come out. I mean, me, you gotta be gone before I come out of my house and grab my food. So I like to just skedaddle quickly. All right, 15 minutes later, Uber Eats coming through with some Smoothie King action. Oh, an add-on. Oh my God, an add-on for $10, but it's 15 miles. How are you adding that on? That is not convenient at all to my 3 miles, bro. What? Let's just squeeze that one in there while she's driving. Yeah, for Wayne. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, it was already ready. She had it in the cooler. It is 1 mile away. It needs a pin. Okay, so it's an apartment. Meet at door. Please remember a straw. Bro, I grabbed your straw. Okay. And I need to get a pin from him. Ooh, okay, almost at the drop-off. $9. 2.7 miles. Okay, where's your pizza? Got that one lined up. 1, 2. It's on the other side. 4, we got a 4. There is the 4. Hi, for Wayne?
Yeah, 0695.
0695. Got it.
Head to your pickup at West 4 Seats at Poplar Boulevard.
$1.99 for 1.7 miles. Decline. Got the goods. The app was saying it's more, oh, we're blurry. Hello. The app was saying it's more items than normal. Whatever that means. Oh, that smells so good. Confirm. 2.2 miles. Leave at door. Leave at door, thanks. Alrighty. That's what we about to do then. So just like yesterday, we started off a little slow and now it's picking up. Like, they're throwing orders at me. They're pretty decent and it might just be the area, you know, or I mean, or the time. You never know. Or too many drivers, you know. You can't just pinpoint it to being one thing. But
in a quarter mile, proceed straight on West Lunston Road.
Probably the time and the area. My GoPro is saying card error once again. Alright, Made sure to get that hot bag in the picture. I feel like that's a nice little hack you gotta do. Gotta figure out what the heck this is doing with the card and the issue. Blow on it like we used to our, oh my god, what was that? Our Nintendo games. Now it should work, Mom. You just gotta blow on it. Alright, we got some 2 mile Dunkin action. I got an Uber for Rashi.
Give me 1 second, right with you. 1 second.
Hot chocolate.
Oh yeah, this is his only drink, and then he has 2 sandwiches. 3 sandwiches.
Hot chocolate, large.
What's the name again?
Hirashi? Hirashi?
Oh, I was gonna hold it in order.
Oh.
Okay, man.
I don't know where it is. It is one.
Yes, that one.
Where do you cancel that one? And then what was that last one, a hot chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, why'd you do that hot chocolate earlier? Have a hot chocolate?
Hey, don't be a stranger, all right?
Okay. And then what's missing? One of these is missing. Sorry. There's 2 drinks.
Yeah, bacon and a donut.
So that one
But I know a guy.
I think they working her too much, man. She giving me the wrong order. She found a drink that she said she's been looking for 30 minutes. And she didn't give me a cup holder. Y'all seen one of my videos last week. Always carry some cup holders. Alright, I got a nice little package for them. I could not work at a place like this, man. I've had enough jobs at food places. Oh, you can't pay me enough to deal with what they deal with, man. I'd rather be out here in the streets with a little bit more freedom. Goes to the drop off. I thought I was getting something good. What is this? 2 orders. 2 orders. $2 each. 10 miles. Bro, get that off my screen. Oh my god, another one. 342. 9 miles. What are you doing? I pushed decline, bro. No! I went over a speed bump and accidentally accepted it. Oh my god. I have to finish this one before I could get to the other one. Okay, how do you get out of an order? Way back here.
On the right.
Wait, right there? There's like a dirt road, oh, in front of me. It looks like it is this house right here. Oh, the dude's standing outside, bro. Alright, I'm gonna film him just in case, you know, anything happens, but I don't want to put him in the video for privacy reasons, so.
Drop off on the right.
Alright, easy drop off. He's like, yeah, I know. I don't think he speaks English. We got $5 for 9 miles. I'm declining. So I'm back at McDonald's. You know the drill. And I was thinking if I was done or not. So I ended my solo for the manual tracking miles, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Like I showed you this morning where you toggle it on. Well, you toggle it off and it shows you, well, here's my trackings: 14 miles, an hour and 45 minutes, and my deduction is $9.31. So that is why we track our miles. That was annoying. I'm so sorry I did that. That is why we track our miles, because, okay, I didn't calculate what I made so far. I'll put that on the screen now. A lot of people say, yeah, you made that much, but then a third of it is taxes. And I'm like, wait. But I also get $9 off of whatever the taxes was. You can't be afraid of, oh my god, taxes, because you won't ever work if you're afraid to portion of your earnings are going to taxes. Like, that's just life. As a independent contractor, we find these little things that we could claim, such as mileage. Now, a portion of my earnings does go back into my gas tank, which is why I keep my miles low, which is why you see 14 miles compared to my earnings. So all in all, have something that tracks your miles. This is my new favorite thing because you toggle it on, and then at the end it tells you the miles, the time, if that matters to you. And I got $9.31 coming off of my taxes. That's a big deal. Like, that adds up. Whether you're part-time or full-time, like, that adds up. Normally at the end of my deliveries and I decide to go home, I might take another order, like if it's heading me towards my direction, but I don't like to film around where I live. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you made it to the end, leave me sun emojis, because it's hot AF out here. And I'm sure it is where you are too. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.